my name is Tomomi Gariano, a certified Zentangle teacher. Today is day 13 of Inktober 2025. Today's tangle is Mythograph by Zentangle. This is a Zentangle official tangle, and it is a beautiful, elegant tangle, and it has so much potential, so many ways that you can enjoy, embellish this tangle, so you're gonna have fun. So you're gonna start with this sort of thin grass or branch or whatever, and then from here you're gonna grow another more branches or thin leaf or grass or whatever shape you like on either side, however many you want. And then you're gonna aura this initial shape on both sides like this, and then you continue to add more shapes, and perhaps this will cross. There's so much flexibility in this tangle. So this is the basic idea, and this tangle works like not just a tangle like this, but also you can use this as a concept and start growing something different, like say muka or even flags, or whatever organic tangle you want to grow. You can add onto this tangle or this concept. Then these tangles get woven into this beautiful organic shape. So this is the idea of Mythograph, and it's simple enough, right? Easy peasy. So I hope you're gonna have fun. And for mine, I'm working on a Bijou tile. Since this is such a small piece, for my initial shape, I think I'll try to take this diagonal so that I have the most distance, and I'm gonna make this little wavy like this. And then maybe I'll grow a few of these wavy shapes. This is this tangle. I don't know where this is going. I'm just adding one stroke at a time. Kind of looks like a corn plant at this point, but let's see where this goes. So you do your magic and I'll do mine, and we can compare notes when we are done. And perhaps I can even go a little wider here if I want to. Sometimes this kind of thing happen intentionally, sometimes unintentionally. Maybe you get a little derailed from your the aura you intended. Then you can use this as an opportunity to throw something inside. So possibility is endless. And even turn your tile so that there will be some level of randomness. You're not looking at this from the same angle all the time. This gives you opportunity to see the shape differently. And remember that Zentangle is a non-representational art, so you're not trying to create anything in particular. You're just adding one stroke at a time, one shape at a time, trusting it in the method. So it's fun to tangle with specific end result in mind, but it's also, I find it more enjoyable to just trust in the method and go with the flow, following where my pen takes me. So in the end, this may look like plants of some sorts, but definitely that's not my intention to draw a plant or plants. It just so happen to look kind of sort of plant, a plant, but something that you don't see in real life, perhaps. Maybe something you see in children's books, illustration, or maybe in your imagination. Something that is not from this world. Something that you created with your pen, from your own imagination, from your own creative journey, that you ended up creating this beautiful, wonderful, magical thing that no one else can create. So have fun with this. Don't even worry about what I'm doing. If you want to use this as a reference, I am very happy, but if you just let this video play on the background or completely stop at this point and do your own thing. I always said it's fun to watch, fun to get inspired by videos, but it's more fun, more important to put your own pen to paper. So I hope you're enjoying this journey of Inktober Daily Tangle Challenge, and maybe this is pushing you to be creative, you to pushing your creativity a little further than you would by yourself. It's nice to be a part of a creative community that we're all doing this together during the month of October, and you may be on track, you may be behind, you may be ahead. It really doesn't matter. You're working on your own pace, whatever works for your schedule, whatever is comfortable pace for you. And I'm gonna add shading just here and there where the lines are coming together and where things are poking out, sticking out. That's where I'm gonna add shading first, and I'll go from there. You know, some tangles that I use so often, I know exactly where I want to shade and highlight. Some tangle like this one, it's been a while since I used, and every time I draw, well, also I haven't used this tangle too many times, so every time I draw, I'm experimenting with my shading. I may shade certain spot today, but I may do something entirely different next time. It's part of the learning process, and I'm learning from other artists too, other artists who generously posted their creation, their pieces, their method, their ways of approaching the same tangle online, so that we can learn from each other. You know, Zentangle is such a generous community. The people are freely sharing their skills, their experience, their knowledge, their tip and tricks that they gained over many years of practice. I became certified Zentangle teacher in 2017, so it's been more than 8 years, and I still enjoy doing this, and I enjoy teaching. I enjoy meeting artists all over the world, and I enjoy learning from different instructors and different artists. It's such a rich experience because of your generosity as an artist and as a person and as an instructor. So thank you for everything you are sharing. Thank you for being here with me, tangling with me. Thank you for all the comments, nice comments you left on my video, and thank you for all the like buttons that you left. You are leaving footprint so that I know that you're watching. And thank you for sharing your time with me by being here, tangling with me. It's such a privilege to be a part of this beautiful community of artists. And maybe I'll add little dots here and there. I need to get a new white pen. I've been struggling with this pen. I should really grab a new one. Sometimes, you know, I get clogged, and I've been trying to clean the tip when it happens, but sometimes, you know, you just have to get a new pen. So I'm gonna add just a little finishing touch. I am almost down. So this is day, what did I say, day 13, I think. So we're almost, not quite, but almost halfway through of Inktober, halfway through October. I have a lot of other projects I need to make progress too, which is a good problem to have. But sometimes I can feel a little stressed, like right now. Like, oh gosh, I have so many things I need to finish. I need to make progress. But for now, I'm enjoying this mythograph. So thank you for watching and thank you for tangling with me. I will see you tomorrow for day 14. Bye now.